If Bingo Cache won't open on an iPhone running iOS 18, the safest first fix is to force close Bingo Cache and restart the iPhone before deleting the app. By the end, you'll know which iOS 18 settings to check, how to clear temporary app problems without deleting your account, and what to do if Bingo Cache still won't launch. Start by force closing Bingo Cache. On an iPhone with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the app switcher, then swipe the Bingo Cache window upward. Wait a moment, then open Bingo Cache again. If the app still freezes, closes immediately, or stays on the loading screen, restart your iPhone. Turn the iPhone off, wait briefly, turn it back on, and test Bingo Cache again. Next, check the App Store for a Bingo Cache update. Open the App Store, tap your account icon, and look through the available updates. If Bingo Cache appears there, update it before trying the app again. You should also check whether iOS 18 has a pending software update. Open Settings, General Software Updating, and install an available update if your iPhone offers one. The next step is checking your iPhone's available storage. Open Settings, General iPhone Storage, and look at the amount of free space available. If your iPhone is almost full, remove unnecessary downloads, photos, or unused apps, then try opening Bingo Cache again. Your internet connection can also affect startup. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a stable Wi-Fi connection, then reopen Bingo Cache. If Bingo Cache opens but immediately signs you out, use the existing account login instead of creating another account. Your original Bingo Cache account contains your existing account information, so creating another profile won't restore access to it. Before deleting Bingo Cache, make sure you know the phone number and account information connected to your original profile. If you reinstall the app, you'll need to sign back into that account. If you force close Bingo Cache, restarted the iPhone, updated the app, checked iOS 18, confirmed available storage, and tested your connection but the app still won't open, take a screenshot of the problem. Then contact Bingo Cache support and provide your iPhone model, iOS version, Bingo Cache app version, and exactly what happens when you tap the app. Don't repeatedly delete and reinstall the app while troubleshooting. Start with the steps that preserve your existing app and account information. So the troubleshooting order is simple: force close Bingo Cache, restart the iPhone, update Bingo Cache, check iOS 18, check storage, and test your connection before reinstalling. Your next step is to open the app switcher, swipe Bingo Cache away, and launch it again. If this fixed Bingo Cache on iOS 18, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.